Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos and we're about to take this fantastic Audi A3 for a little test drive. The car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. The clutch and the gearbox feel really good, really smooth. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely. Brakes feel good. Steering feels nice, so the car is driving spot on as it should. And as you'd expect with it being an Audi, it is a fantastic car to drive. Very smooth, very easy to drive, good visibility. And on this particular one, you've got really great specification. So on the Audi multimedia system, you've got sat-nav, which is on display at the moment. On there, you've also got Bluetooth, both for your mobile phone, hands-free, and to connect audio devices. You've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM. You can get an Audi multimedia lead if you want to plug your devices in as well. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver if they wish. A really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with all the controls at your fingertips. Plenty of power from the turbo petrol engine. Yeah, this car is so nice to drive. Really responsive, really light and easy. The suspension is so smooth. You've also got, what else have we got? We've got reverse parking sensors, electric windows front and rear. So yeah, just a nice car, nice spec, drives superbly. It's going to make a lovely car for somebody. Perhaps that might be you. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.